Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create API keys in Appwrite step by step. API keys allow your server-side applications and backend services to securely access Appwrite resources such as databases, storage, users, and functions without requiring a user to sign in. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where you want to create an API key. Once you're inside the project, click Settings, then open the API Keys section from the Project Settings menu. Next, click the Create API Key button. Enter a clear name for the key so you can easily identify its purpose later, such as Production Server, Development API, or Backend Service. Now choose the permissions or scopes that the API key should have. Only enable the permissions your application actually needs, such as access to databases, storage, users, functions, or messaging. Limiting permissions is an important security practice that helps protect your project. After selecting the required scopes, click Create. Appwrite will generate a new API key. Copy the key immediately and store it in a secure location, such as an environment variable or a secure secrets manager, because you may not be able to view the full key again later. Finally, use the API key only in trusted server-side environments. Never expose it in client-side code or public repositories, since anyone with the key could gain access to your Appwrite project according to its assigned permissions. And that's it. You now know how to create API keys in Appwrite and securely connect your backend services to your Appwrite project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.